Here goes nothing. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica and today I want to take you along as I transform this IKEA play kitchen into a fully functional Montessori kitchen for my toddler daughter. Let's jump into the renovation. I hope this helps you as you begin your own journey. First things first, I want to change out the water faucet. And I've seen people do this two ways. The first is to use essentially a big plastic or glass jug, something like you'd have for lemonade or iced tea at a party, and put that right here. Or to do what I'm gonna do and buy one of these automatic water dispensers. And I chose to go with the automatic water dispenser because I'm a little bit concerned about my little one wanting to move that water jug and it just not staying there.
Removing the faucet and installing the pump is actually pretty easy. There's just one screw holding in the faucet, so all you do is unscrew that and then pull the faucet from the top.
Okay guys, so moment of truth. I've charged this for just a few minutes to see if this will work. I've got it strung through the back of the two holes and I've got my basin of water down below. So here goes nothing. Yay! Awesome. I guess it was just getting the water through the pipe. That's so cool. All right, I'm gonna continue to charge that.
After hooking up the water pump, I also drilled holes in the sink basin to allow the water to drain, and I just drilled where the sink already had these indentations. I found that was enough to allow the water to drain and not back up. Some people do also drill a large center hole, but I didn't find that that was necessary.
After drilling the holes for the sink basin, I just put that back in and I used a little bit of Velcro here and then on the side of the sink down here so that that does not move anymore. Then down here, I made sure that this locks, and this is one of these magnetic locks like this. So that can't be opened without my approval. And we have here, this is for to catch the water that goes down the drain, just a funnel, and then I cut the top off an almond milk container. And then here for the holder for the water is just an old olive oil jar. And the tube goes into the water, which goes at the back. And then again at the front, this goes and it just locks like that.
After replacing the faucet, I also upgraded the countertop and the plastic door handles. This obviously isn't necessary to make this a functional kitchen, but I like customizing our kitchen a little bit. For the countertop, I used a black and white marble contact paper that cost about $6 for a roll. I think it does help protect the wood a little bit from any splashing water from the sink, but I do try to ensure that spills are wiped up. I've also seen people use a faux wood contact paper to make this more like a butcher block look, which I think is also really cute. I just used a scissor and an X-Acto to cut and wrap the countertop. Some people like using a credit card or a book to smooth the contact paper, but for me it seems to work best just with my hands. I did wait until I had the countertop on to reinstall the sink with the Velcro. I also replaced the door handles. I chose a black metal for the lower cabinets and a slightly shorter handle for the microwave. Again, all of these things are linked below. If you're looking for handles, you want to choose ones with 5 inches between the holes, and that is so that they fit in the pre-drilled holes for the kitchen.
The last thing I did was replace the kitchen's hanging hooks. I switched them from these plastic hooks that my daughter was just pulling off to some metal black ones that can't be pulled off and fit better with the look of the upgraded kitchen. You can use these hooks to hang kitchen tools like measuring cups or even things like mugs for drinks. I also put a wood cutting board from IKEA over the hole where I took the stove out, and I hope down the road my daughter will use that workspace to cut things like fruits and vegetables. So that's it, guys. Let me take you on a tour of the finished product. So First things first, of course, we replaced the water pump with this functioning water pump and drilled the holes in the basin below so that it drains. This is also secured again with heavy duty Velcro so it does not come out. And then the cabinet down below is secured with the door lock so that I'm the only one or my husband can get in here. Of course, we've got some liquid soap for washing up and the towels up above. If you've got a toddler, you know there are a lot of spills, so it's always nice to have some extra towels up here. And I usually do have one down here for when she's done washing her hands. This is actually my favorite part, other than the water pump of the kitchen, is this setup so that she can get everything she needs for her own meal. And the little box that I made here is for her silverware. So when I unload the dishwasher, I hand her her silverware and she puts it back in here. These decals I just got off Amazon and I'll link those below. And I made this little box out of a Melissa and Doug little puzzle piece kit. So if you're thinking of doing something like that yourself, the links for those are in the description below. And then I've got her cup and a little pitcher here, along with a drinking cup. I usually have more of those as well. The IKEA ones that a lot of people use are glass, but they were out of stock when I went. Okay guys, so before I close, I want to say one thing quickly about cost. This channel is called My Frugal Mommy Life and I am very cost conscious. So I mentioned already that I got my kitchen for free from a local moms group that I'm part of. I did spend about $80 getting everything for the kitchen. That's the handles, the pump, the decals, all of those things, which are all linked down below. What I did with the parts that I removed from the kitchen, that's the handles, the sink faucet, the burners, all of those things I put on my eBay store and I sold. I got about $100 for those things. That's after eBay fees and doesn't include shipping. But if I put $80 in and I got $100 from everything I sold, I would call this about a wash. I think I spent absolutely nothing on the kitchen. So if that's of interest to you, another way to go about that, maybe there are people on Facebook Marketplace who want these things, but I thought I would mention that before I close. So that's it guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, hit the like button down below and hit the subscribe button down below. My next video is going to be me redoing this Melissa and Doug sweep set to match the kitchen a little bit better. So if you like this kind of content, hit the subscribe button and you'll get notified when I post that video. Thanks so much for watching. Good luck redoing your own kitchen. Have a great day.